Kada umaga, si baby daddy, kapag nakikita niyang malungkot ako o kaya wala ako sa mood, tina-try talaga niya yung best niya na mapasaya ako. Dadalhin niya sa akin yung pagkain ko. Tapos, pag wala akong gana, kasi nagsisimula na yung morning sickness ko, ayun, sumasayaw siya. At hindi siya tumitigil hanggat hindi ako mag-smile.
I just make sure my baby mama is happy every morning because her body's in pain when she wakes up. So I do a dance move for her.
Nagpunta si Papi sa bahay. Alam ko naman din na tulad ko, buntis, mas alam kong ranas niya ang pagiging bored. Kaya nagsispend siya ng time sa amin para magturo. Nung una, okay pa sa akin kasi nakita ko namang okay yung intensyon. Pero hindi ko alam, nagpintig na lang yung tenga ko. I lost it. What is Bebang doing?
So at
She cannot sleep.
Bebang?
Yeah. She broke her bed rail.
Really?
Yeah, and then we took it off. So her bed is on the floor. And then there's like a play mat. So if ever she rolls over, it's gonna be safe for her to bump her head. She's like having problems sleeping on time. Hey Landon, did you guys that's the first problem that we need to fix. But other than that, I've noticed for the past few days and weeks since I'm observing you guys, Nate especially. Sometimes I'm even talking to her na stop this, stop that because I'm really bothered.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because given at this age and her health history, I'm really worried about this pregnancy because both of us is different, right? So me, I'm still young, but I have a lot of conditions. Ate Marie might seem healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Her uterus might seem healthy, but she got diabetes. She got she's having asthma attacks before. That's why I'm really worried, and I cannot contain this to myself. I really need to vent this out, and so both of you guys could take action in this matter because I'm really bothered by it, and it's very serious. Yeah, like for example, I'm gonna ask you. The last time Ate Marie went to the checkup, right? She's supposed to have prescription. Where's the prescription?
The
Medicine.
we haven't went to go get it
Why?
because I have nowhere to go.
Diba I told you the last time, if you don't know what to do, you should ask me.
Hindi, I'm the one who,
What?
who told him that supposedly we're gonna go this morning.
But since Ate is pregnant, you cannot trust her.
Mm-hmm.
You know why? Because pregnant women, we procrastinate a lot. We could say that, oh, this is our goal today, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And we will end up just laying down in our bed the whole day because we're so tired.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I'm
Where's
really bothered,
Small
guys.
bag.
Can you give it to me, please? The meal plan. You should guys be worried about your
There's
meals.
I'll tell her
baby
that.
daddy.
Yeah, but don't tell her she's pregnant.
No, I know. I tell her I don't have the contact. So I tell her to give me the contact.
Hindi ako magpapaka-plastic. Naaalarma talaga ako sa mga nangyayari kasi kung paano nila gampanan yung roles nila bilang parents sa pregnancy na to. Iba lang kasi ngayon eh. Buntis si Ate Marie at hindi na uubra yung pagiging Disney princess niya. Tsaka yung mga unhealthy lifestyle at maling routine nila ni Landon sa araw-araw.
You could ask her, but you shouldn't rely on her
Mm-hmm.
because this is also your baby.
Yeah, I know.
Especially this one. Oh my God, you got a lot of medicines, ate.
Patingin nga ako, ano ba nakalagay dyan?
Mga pampakapit ito. Ayan o. Pati supposed
Ate, meron naman akong tupas. We have this already.
What?
You have this already.
Olagit?
Progesterone, ito binigay mo eh.
Yeah,
We
but
have
you
this
will
already.
run out of it.
We have this already.
The fast run for every like 6 hours ba to? 8 hours. 8 hours ka.
1, 2. Ito lang ang wala ako.
No, sige,
Wala.
because you're vomiting.
Oh, hindi pa naman ako nag-vomit. Ano to?
One of those doctors said it's
This
for she vomit.
is
Kal...
calciumate.
Oh,
This is the calcium because you guys, your baby mama would, her bones will become weak because the baby is taking all of her vitamins. folic acid for the baby to grow,
Yeah,
multivitamins. Mama Wiz is the support for the baby because if she's not eating healthy, the baby could get a fraction of the vitamins here with the medicine. But you should really take care of this one. You will go on April 8th. You
Yeah,
should
to the
have
doctor.
transvaginal ultrasound again.
Yeah.
So you should remind me of this. So we could go to the ultrasound center, the clinic. Oh, for example, this
I think Kuya CJ said he was gonna take us to that, right?
Yeah, but baby band is
but I know the owner of the clinic. That's why I need to go with you guys. This other stuff you could you could go to the med club with the blood typing and like all of the.
Those are supposed to be tests she's supposed to get or something like that.
Yes, and it's important.
Yeah.
You know why?
Before, okay, I can get this na, no? Siguro
Yeah,
may
home
update.
service.
Mm.
You could get this home service. So you guys not go out of the house.
And I'm also in the group chat with Doc saying, because before I couldn't contact her
Yeah,
or anything, but now she messages me there, messenger.
Landon, I already told you this.
What?
If you don't know what to do, you should call us, you should text us. With this one, for example, the prescription and everything.
It's also my fault. Because,
Yeah, but me being pregnant, I can understand, Ate Marie, you could not step up in this case. I could blame her for a lot of other things, but this stuff should be your responsibility. We cannot just lay around here and wait for the right time to buy the medicine. So what if Ate Marie bleeds again? Right? The last
That's
time
also
Ate
my
Marie,
fault.
Ate Marie bled last time, diba? Oh.
Yeah, it was actually my fault.
But why? It's because the pregnancy libido. She wanted to have sexual intercourse with you. But it's normal. Me, I'm also like that with Harvey. Whenever that I'm pregnant, I'm always like asking him every night. I wanted to do this, I wanted to do that. But other stuff that contributes to that bleeding is also your fault. Like the little stuff that we talk about that can trigger Ate Marie.
You're actually talking about that naman.
Yeah, but Ate Marie shouldn't be stressing out about this.
Yeah, no.
You know who's the one who's stressing out about this? Should be stressing out about this. You, me, and the Toro family. Because her pregnancy, she's already carrying the baby. She should not be stressing about other things. All she should care about is getting herself happy, surviving this pregnancy, carrying the baby through the due date. That's why I'm really bothered because every day I'm like hearing stuff.
What?
No. Like, one day you're throwing away your clothes, and then the other day I heard the doctor that you're bleeding. It's like, okay, this is like very alarming. That's why I'm really bothered because I don't want her to go through miscarriage. I've seen a lot of like content creators right now getting pregnant and then they're having miscarriage because of their stress or luckily you guys are not ectopic, but the stress contributes to the miscarriage
Oo,
also.
papi, kinakausap ko naman si Lanton. Kinakausap ko naman siya about dyan. Na-appreciate ko na concern ka, pero hindi mo na kailangan. I'm speaking Tagalog because I'm pissed. I don't want her to make it a habit.
No, it's not that I'm making it habit, ate.
No, it's
Example,
like,
there is
you're
one-
also like this to Vincent Tony. I understand. I appreciate that you, that you love us, that you care about my pregnancy and you're seeing stuff like that. Yeah, I appreciate that. But I am the only one, the only person who will tell Landon what to do with me. The advices, it's okay. Okay? I don't have a long patience, papi. Mula kanina pikon ako. Up until I've been like this for how many days already. I cannot tolerate another voice. I appreciate. I'm sorry. I know that you are pregnant also, but I cannot I
I
cannot
get what you're saying.
I cannot handle the stress. I cannot handle the many people. I just wanna hear my voice. My voice.
I know, but I just don't want to have regrets that I didn't do anything because I know you could take care of the kids. You know how to take care of a kid, but you don't know how to be pregnant. You don't know how to. I know that you cannot handle all the emotions, but you can even try to learn to control some things. You know?
I'm trying to control myself, papi. Right now, I'm trying to control myself.
I don't know what to do with you guys. I'm just telling you advices. I know you're taking it the wrong.
Hindi ko nga kaya! Ayoko nga ng advice muna!
Okay.
Tell her to leave.
Go ahead.
Tell her to leave. Tell her to leave.
If anything happens,
Tell her to
it's
leave
your
right
fault.
now. I
It's
don't
your
want to
big
hear
dad's
her. I
fault.
don't want to hear her. Tell her to leave right now.
Whoa, two pregnant women are clashing right now.
Tell her to leave right now.
Now you're being like
No.
that. I'm just telling you
Lisa,
advices. You
I
don't know
don't
how to
want
do.
to. I don't want to hear anything.
You cannot be at Disney Princess all the time. Just so you know.
Daddy, assist her to not get out.
No, I can handle myself. You don't need me anymore. It's okay. I won't deal with both of you guys anymore. I'm just being concerned here.
Better. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Eto hirap kapag mas bata ka no? Di talaga nila pakikinggan yung mga advices mo pagdating sa larangan na mas may experience ka. Oo na, ikaw na magaling mag-alaga ng bata. Pero nakakalimutan mo ata na 3 taon na ako sunod-sunod na buntis. Kaya alam ko nang ginagawa ko. Aanhin mo yung galing mo sa pag-aalaga ng bata once nakalabas na. Kung hindi ka naman marunong magbuntis, di ba?
Oh my God, bro. What's the issue, baby, Ron?
I don't want her to tell us what to do. Like, it's okay about the advice, I get it, but she keeps on saying many things. I don't like that. It's okay to be concerned. Landon, this is I keep on telling her that it's also my fault. And I told you, baby daddy, I have very, very small patience. Can't you see that she said, Landon this and that, Landon this and that? I don't like that. No one will do that to my man. I understand her intentions. I understand the but it keeps on putting in my head like we're already like this to one another. We're figuring it out how we are to another.
I'm telling her that I need a prescription, but I've been trying to tell you that we should get that, or you can order it. Remember?
Yeah, I understand that, baby daddy. But can you see the point that my point of view? Like, how am I? Like, I cannot. Like, baby daddy, it's been every day that we are trying to figure out something, di ba? With I have small, very small patience, and my heart is like she's nagging in my ear.
She just wants to help you have a successful pregnancy.
It's okay. I'm okay with that, but not to the point that I can hear a smallest detail of like her being like Miss Know It All. It's okay to guide Landon. If it's like this, Landon, you should do this, you should do that, because I'm concerned. Yes, but not to the point that you're already like what? Dictating? That's not advice. She's been doing that to Vincent Tony. I'm not gonna let her do that to us. Yeah, you have a same age. Almost. She's a year older than you.
Under a year older than me.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna let her say that, even if she's right. Do you get my point? Am I wrong here? Am I wrong, baby daddy? Am I wrong?
No, she's not wrong either. She just wants to help. She's saying I should have got the prescription already, But she's saying I can't depend on you because you're pregnant right now.
That's also true. You cannot depend on me, but also my shortcoming as your partner. As someone who's pregnant, I should be responsible also. Like I keep on telling her a while ago, no, it's also my fault. It's also my and
She's saying it can't be your fault also because you're pregnant.
And at the same time, baby daddy, before she told me that I couldn't bear a child and I couldn't be pregnant. And now she's telling me what? That she knows how to yes, I can take care of the kids, and then now she's saying that you don't know how to be pregnant. It was an insult to me. Of course, my ears went popped out.
Alam mo, bahala na sila. Kung ano man ang mangyaring masama sa kanila, at least walang magsisisi sa akin, ha? Na hindi ako nangailam, na wala akong pakialam, at wala akong ginawa. Bahala na sila dyan.